Okay, so for those of you with the vacuum codes on your touaregs, 4.2 liter, if you have a lean condition or a vacuum, check these connections right here. I found that all of these were split and cracked, so I had to make new ones with hose clamps and pieces of hose all the way down to the pump here, or the detection pump. Every single one. Hopefully this helps somebody, because this is what mine looked like. Split right down the middle, every single one of them, on the skive lines. Okay. Had an evap purge code. This line was broken all the way down here. Every single one of these ends was split all the way down to this pump here. I got a few things disconnected down here. I just got done pulling the valve cover off, checked timing, tensioners. But yeah, I kept getting crazy codes, couldn't figure it out. Vacuum says it was running lean condition vacuum codes. And it was they were split in such a way that you couldn't really tell. The only way I was able to find out was by listening to it, and I heard it hissing out of one of them. Very minute, just enough to make it suck air and cause a check engine light. It was enough to where these weren't even actuating. But everything's good now.